Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Esther Asare. Today I want to quickly run the COVID-19 antigen test. I have to do this once or twice weekly before I can go to the office, and I also interact a lot with people, so it is advisable to do this test. So let's quickly jump into it. So to start with, I'm using the test kit from Siemens, and this is rapid COVID-19 antigen self-test. It comes with 5 test tubes. So these are the test tubes. This is kind of a tray. I have 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And there's 5 tubes. And for the disposable swabs, I have also 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And there is a buffer solution. So this is it. And it has an expiry date to expire 2023. So let's jump into the test. And there's also a user guide here, like a manual for the test. So this is the user guide. If you don't if you can't even understand good German, it's not a problem, you can just follow. So the first one, we take the tubes and put it on the little tray. Then we jump onto the second task, we put in the buffer, 10 drops, and then the swabs. So it goes, you don't insert it so deeply into your nose, just slightly. And then, yeah, so let's just start. So there are similar test kits you can also buy from the supermarket or the drugstores. So let's click start. So this is a little tray. I don't know how it is called, but there's it. This is desiccant to absorb the moisture. So this is what I'm going to use to analyze and see if I have COVID or not. So this COVID-19 antigen. So C stands for control, and T is the treatment. So after I've taken my sample, I'm going to drop 4 drops in this little tube. So that is S standing for sample. And if I have double row, I have a red line for T and a red line for C. That means it is positive. I will need 10 droplets of the buffer solution. So I'm going to drop it in the tube. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So now I'm going to take the disposable swab. It says open here, so I start from here. I'm supposed to insert it into my nose straight, so I start from here. Now I'll try also with the second nose twist. So after, I will dissolve it into the buffer solution. Good to go. And then I cover it. So I'm supposed to drop this solution now onto this tray. So now onto the test tray, I'm supposed to drop 4 droplets at S, which stands for sample. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So let's wait and see what the results will be like. Let's have a closer look. I think it will be negative. This is actually about my no, it's about my 7th time taking COVID test since COVID started. I've taken both the antigen and then the PCR test. And almost all the time I get negative results. That is good for me. It's always negative. So the control line is coming. Yes. So if you have only red line at C, which is the control, then it is negative. But if you had for C and T, then it is positive. Since it's only C, but let's wait a bit. It is negative. I am negative for COVID. Hooray! Hey! So that is it. It takes about 1 minute to get your results. Very simple, very short. I think the test tube is also quite cheap. I got these for free. So this is it. So now I would like to compare my results with what is in the manual. So if it is positive results, if you have COVID, then both lines will show for C, for the control, and then the treatment. No matter how light the T is, it is positive and you have COVID. If it is negative, then you only have the control, which is C. And when it comes to when you have an invalid test result, this is how you look. You only have probably no red line for either C or T, or you have only for T. That means the test is not valid. That means the test is not valid. So this is it. So for my test results, it's clearly negative when you compare with the negative test results here. So that's what I have here. Thank you guys for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on education, on a lot of things. Education, travels, food, lifestyle. Thank you so much. Bye.